This is GTV DWDB TV Channel 27, a commercial TV station with 30,000 watt transmitting power, authorized under station license number BSD-0175-2022 REN, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until May 9, 2025. GTV studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GTV transmitter station is located at Barangay Culiac, Tandansora, Quezon City. GTV Engineering is headed by Elvis B. Ancheta, Professional Electronics Engineer number 897. GTV transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators with licenses issued by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Ricardo L. Cabral, Professional Electronics Engineer number 92. Erwin R. Timbre, Electronics Engineer number 3650. Joel M. Agu, Electronics Engineer number 40727. Bonnie Ray A. Ulang, Electronics Engineer number 47499. Gerald C. Arellano, Electronics Engineer number 49545. Jonathan G. Salvo, Electronics Engineer number 19705. Chester Luis C. Banzuela, Electronics Engineer number 59014. Louis O. Shapenko, Electronics Engineer number 15586. Ralph T. Palma, Electronics Engineer number 29315. Rodrigo P. Quizon Jr., Professional Electronics Engineer number 875. Eric D. Kalaykai, Electronics Engineer number 26010. Ryan Jesus I. Zapanta, Electronics Engineer number 41636. Christian C. Cordovez, Electronics Engineer number 46636. Jefferson E. Dahilog, Electronics Engineer number 24515. Robert D. Santos, Electronics Engineer number 27671. Mamerto D. Logronio Jr., Electronics Engineer number 28729. Celestino A. Vega Jr., Electronics Engineer number 19182. RVP Carriaga, Electronics Technician number 603. Inocencio Robert D. Maniago, 95-1 PNCR-15029. Arnel V. Aricheta, 93-1 PNCR-6617. Nathaniel F. Santiago, 11-1 PHN-26421. Manuel B. Rayon, 99-1 PNCR-21589. Junie D. Sioson, 95-1 PVI-12771. Lucas B. Caminade, 95-1 PXI-12654. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in 27 stations nationwide. Luzon, GTV 27 Manila, TV 27 Ilocos Norte, TV 27 Tuguegarao, TV 26 Apari, TV 22 Benguet, TV 26 Olongapo, TV 26 Batangas, TV 26 Occidental Mindoro, TV 27 Puerto Princesa Palawan, TV 27 Masbate, TV 28 Naga, TV 27 Legazpi, Visayas, TV 27 Calibo, TV 27 Rojas, TV 28 Iloilo, TV 27 Cebu, TV 28 Dumaguete, TV 26 Tacloban, Mindanao, TV 26 Dipolo, TV 22 Osamis, TV 26 Pagadian, TV 27 Surigao, TV 27 Davao, TV 26 General Santos, TV 21 Zamboanga, TV 27 Cotabato, TV26, Holo. This is GTV, now signing off.
Ang mga pamana ng ating kultura. Mula magulang sa anak hanggang sa susunod pang henerasyon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, sa tahanan at sa ating pakikitungo sa kapwa, nabubuo ang mga katangiang ating pinahahalagahan.
Yakapon, oy. Yakap niya lolo niya.
Sa ating pagkatao at
Ayun
sa
siya
ating
noon,
pagiging
nagdadali siya.
Pilipino.
Naging
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
wala mo ba ng kuya?
Idangs. Lahat yung 75 ginawa. Nakakabahan na ako. The GTV signing off time at 12:14 AM.